Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about leaf cleanups. Now's the time, now's the season for leaf cleanups. You might be the type that likes to see leaves out on the lawn. Maybe you have kids or dogs that like to play in the leaves, but what you need to know when it comes to leaves in your lawn is that they can be problematic. An excess amount of leaves can be problematic for your lawn, so you don't want to let them sit there too long. You either need to get out there every once in a while and mulch those leaves in, or you need to have them removed altogether, because a lot of leaves piled up over an extended period of time, especially if we get moisture, we get rain, stuff like that, that water will just sit there on those leaves, sit there on top of your lawn. It will smother your lawn, it will suffocate your lawn, and your turf will suffer because of it. It could even kill off sections of your turf as well. So it's just important to remember that. Don't let them sit there for too long. Go ahead and get them either mulched in or removed altogether. So hope that helps. Just a little tip for you. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.